everyone! Miss Melissa here today to share a craft with you. And I figure since yesterday was Earth Day, I wanted to share an Earth-themed craft. This is a really simple activity that most people will have all the materials for in their house. And if not, feel free to tweak it around to maybe it'll just inspire you for something else that you can do with some of the materials that you do have available. So we are going to make an Earth. The materials that you need today are a coffee filter, a couple of washable markers, a blue and a green one are ideal to make our Earth because we need some water and some land. And then we need a paintbrush and a little cup of water. And that's it. So let's learn how to make a coffee filter globe. Step 1, color the coffee filter. Right here, you're going to see my daughter is hard at work coloring her coffee filter. She's got her blue and her green crayons. And really just color. There's no right or wrong way to do this. So just let the kids have free range and color away. Step 2, paint over the filter with water. Now you'll see we've got our cup of water out and our paintbrush, and you are just going to paint over that entire filter until it is entirely covered with water. I do want to point out you'll want to have something underneath the filter because the color will bleed through, but there's really no rule other than get it covered with water. Step 3, let your project dry completely. And voila, you've made an Earth. Good job! And that's it. It's super simple. With just a few markers, some water, and a coffee filter, you can make this beautiful little Earth art. So I hope you're able to do this at home. It's a fun activity to do with kids. It's super easy. It's a little messy, but it's all washable, so it's fun to do. And these are great to hang in windows when the light shines through. So pretty. So I hope you've had a wonderful Earth Day. Stay tuned for another video with me tomorrow at 10 a.m. And let's get our waving hands out. Let's wave goodbye. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands with all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Bye, everyone.